Hello everyone, this video is about tangent versus normal, the increasing and decreasing functions, and related rates. So tangent means the straight line that touches the curve at one point only, and the normal is the line perpendicular to the tangent through the same point of contact. So the yellow line is the tangent, the red line is the normal here. So from calculus, we get the tangent gradient. Remember, we can find the tangent gradient using differentiation using calculus. So the tangent gradient is the f prime of x. The normal gradient, because it's perpendicular, it's got to be -1 over the tangent gradient. Because perpendicular means when you multiply, you get -1 for the gradients. So for example, find the tangent and normal of this function when the x is 0. So we find the gradient function or the y prime, we differentiate, we get 6x squared plus 8x minus 5. And now when the x is 0, the y is 2 times, so we just replace the original function here, x with 0, we get 6. And the y prime, so we use y prime, the x is 0, we get -5. So from here, we know that the point of contact is 0, 6. When the x is 0, the y is 6. And from here, we know that the tangent gradient is -5, which means the normal gradient is -1 over -5 or 1 over 5. Remember, if we multiply them, we must get -1. So therefore, the tangent equation is using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 formula. The tangent is y equals -5x plus 6, and the normal is 1/5 x plus 6. Now increasing, decreasing. Increasing means you go up, decreasing go down, as seen from left to right. So if you look at the tangent here, as you go from left to right, this is like climbing a hill. Climbing uphill, positive. Sliding downhill, negative. So this is going up, going down, going down, going up, going up. So I for increase, D for decrease here. When the tangent gradient or the f prime is positive, the function is increasing. When the f prime is negative, the function is decreasing. So for example, find the values of x for which this function is decreasing. Decreasing means the y prime is smaller than 0. The y prime is, we differentiate here, we get 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. And we can find the critical points. This is solving a quadratic inequality. We find the critical points using the quadratic formula. We get -1 minus 5 over 3. Put it on the number line. And since we can maybe use 0 to find the sign here. If we plug in 0, we get +5, of course, so positive, negative, positive. And since we are looking for decreasing, which means a negative, the answer is therefore between -5/3 and -1. Wait, hold on. -5/3 is on the left. Okay, I mean -1 should be on the left, -5/3 on the right. And the 0 is therefore when we plug in 0. Oops, that was right all along. Okay, never mind. Wait, where are they? Okay, they're gone. -5/3 -1. Yeah, that was right actually. Okay, and now related rates. The derivative of dy dx is also called the rate of change of y with respect to x. So if it's not stated, it's with respect to time. We can use the chain rule and treat the d something like dy or dx or du or dv or whatever algebraically. So for example, if v equals 4/3 pi r cubed, the dv dr, we differentiate, 3 times 4 over 3 is 4, the new power is 2. So this is called the rate of change of volume with respect to radius, which is how much the volume is changing due to the change in radius. And dv dt, using chain rule, dv dt is the same as dv dr times dr dt. The dv dt is the rate of change of volume with respect to time, and the dr dt is the rate of change of radius with respect to time. So for example, a spherical balloon is blown up such that its surface area is increasing 6. So this is dA dt. The balloon remains spherical. Find the rate of increase of the volume when its radius is 5. So we know that the dA dt is 6. We are looking for the rate of increase of volume. So dV dt when the r is 5. This is what we are looking for. We know that the area of a balloon is 4 pi r squared. This is in MF19. The dA dr we differentiate 8 pi r. The volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. The dV dr differentiate 4 pi r squared. Now dV dt is same as dV dr, dr dA, dA dt. You see, as you cancel out dr, dr, dA, dA, we get dV dt in the end. The dV dr is 4 pi r squared. The dr dA is just like this, but it's the reciprocal, so it's 1 over 8 pi r. We know that dA dt is 6, so if we simplify everything here, we have 3r. And now what we are looking for is when the r is 5, so 3 times 5, we get 15 final answer. Right, that's it. I'll see you again next time.